Going to Hong Kong soon? Here's your needed airport guide and tips para hassle-free at wala kang makalimutan bago umalis ng airport. Pagkalapag mo sa Hong Kong International Airport, sobrang dali lang mag-navigate. First, immigration. Walang entry pass or visa needed for Filipinos if you're staying less than 14 days. Just prepare your passport, return ticket, and hotel details. Mabilis lang, around 5 to 10 minutes. Just follow the signs to immigration and they will give you this landing slip. Huwag niyong walain to, baka hanapin to sa Macau if magmamakaw kayo. Next, kuha ng luggage. Follow the signs to baggage claim, then check your carousel number sa screen. And just in front of the luggage claims, may Bank of China and HSBC ATMs now where you can withdraw cash in Hong Kong dollars. Huwag kayo magpapalit sa mga currency exchange kasi malulugi kayo. Use either of your GCash, Cbank, and GoTime cards as these cards will work abroad and has the best rates. I will upload in the next video the comparison of these 3 cards. Alin nga ba ang pinaka-the best sa kanilang tatlo, kaya make sure to follow. Mas okay mag-withdraw kaysa magpapalit ng pera because real-time exchange rate siya, no withdrawal fee, and you get the exact value for your money. Then, exit na tayo to the arrivals area. Super straightforward lang. Hindi na kami dumaan sa any counters to buy SIM card or at pocket Wi-Fi because we prefer using eSIM already para hassle-free and I can do navigation, TikTok na hindi ako nabablock. And nagamit ko pa to sa Macau ha. I bought this in Klook lang and used my discount code KLOOKGG to get up to 5% discount in hotels, transportations, activities, SIM cards, and etc. bookings via Klook. Now, bago ka pumunta sa city, grab a quick food or drinks muna sa 7-Eleven. Just across the airport exit, makikita mo si 7-Eleven. Baon ka na makakain mo sa bus, especially it takes an hour pa to TST. Now, for the cheapest and most convenient way to Tsim Sha Tsui, look for the City Flyer A21 bus. The fare is only 254.67 pesos and you can pay using your GCash card. No need to buy and top up an Octopus card. And so, there you go. If you're flying to Hong Kong soon, take note of these tips and please save these discount codes na for sure magagamit mo. KLOOKGG in Klook and GG Agoda for up to 10% off naman in Agoda hotels. And if you want our full 7-day itinerary, you can download it at the link in my bio.